Ndogamano ira ikoretwo ho gatagati ka wabici ya mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na ruhonge rwa igoti igikwamurwo kwa majaji atandatu aria matigirwo thutha wa president kwamura majaji 38 ndiguthiraga yatira thutha wa majaji atatu a igoti rinene gwatha Uhuru amure majaji ya kwa ihinda ria thikũ 14 makirekereria itua riao majaji William Musyoka, James Wakiaga na George Dulu nimwegire wona mutongoria wa bururi akwamura majaji aya. Jaji munene Martha Koome unyitanirine na kamiti ya JSC mari na rutha rwa kuoya makinya maria mothe magireire na kwihitithia majaji aya.
Upon the lapse of the 14 days in A above, without the first respondent having made the appointments, it shall be presumed that his power to make them has expired and his office becomes functus so far as the appointments are concerned, and the 6 nominees shall be deemed duly appointed.
Acirithania aria President Uhuru Kenyatta agire kwambateria ngathe kuma igoti inene nginyagia igoti ria gucokia cira riko ni hamwe na George Odunga, Joel Ngugi, Angry Muchelule na Weldon Korir, kuria Judith Omange na Evans Makori mari mambaterio nginyagia igoti ine ria migunda na maria maturigiceirie.
Subsequent to their being deemed appointed under B above, the third respondent in conjunction with the first interested party shall be at liberty to take all necessary steps to swear the 6 judges.
Acirithania aya moigite president ndari na hinya wa guthura na kwamura kana kwaga kwamura jaji o wothe.
Today is a landmark decision, an earth-shaking judgment for my members, for our members, the Kenya Magistrates and Judges Association.
Tiga gwathwo amure majaji ya president ni athitwo kuriha garama ya cira uyu.
The cost of the petition to be paid to the petitioner by the first and second respondents.
The President is supposed to pay costs to the petitioners, but I have instructions from KMJA we shall not be following those costs. We will not follow the President to pay costs because he has lost the matter.
Acirithania aya ningi ni morotete munene wa watho Kihara Kariuki ni kwagarara watho thutha wake kuregana na wamurani wa acirithania aya ona gutuika ari umwe wa amemba a kamiti ya JSC ira yamuraga majaji aya.
The President's lawyers applied for stay of that judgment. The courts, the judges said let there be a formal application to that effect.
Itua riri riu rikionekana kwambateria urugari gatagati ka ruhonge rwa magoti na wabici ya president uria ukoretwo ugithegea kwa ihinda iraya. Ripotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getao wa Wanjikũ.